you and
I'm
you,
fine.
ma'am.
Fine, thank you too. Okay. Uh, Today learn in English before presentation in the class. Say together basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay. Today presentation group grup berapa nih? 4 ya?
Five, ma'am.
Oh,
Five,
5.
ma'am.
Okay. Group 5, logical division of ideas. Member group Muhammad Raihan, Muhammad Haikal, and Faik Arya Yakobi.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, would you please presentation in the class?
Okay, ma'am. I take motion for play, ma'am.
Kenapa?
I take permission for play presentation.
Yes, okay. Share it, PPT. Yes, good. Udah terlihat. Oke, Muhammad Raihan, Haikal. Come on,
Okay,
logical. The topic logical division of ideas. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Please welcome. Would you please?
Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
We are from group 5. We want to presentation our sentence in this day. The by title is logical division of ideas. The group member is Muhammad Raihan, Muhammad Haikal, M. Faik Arya Yakobi. Okay, next slide. In this chapter, you will learn how to organize a paragraph using the logical division of ideas pattern. Next slide. Definition: logical division of idea is a pattern of organization is which you divide a topic into points and discuss each point separately. The model paragraph use this pattern. You can use logical division to organize many kinds of topic, not just reason. Next slide. Logical division of ideas simply means that ideas are grouped together and each group is discussed accordingly. They may be introduced in order of importance or in some other order that makes sense to the reader. Next slide. Reading. Why I don't have a credit card? There are the reason I don't have a credit card. The first reason is that using a piece of plastic instead of cash makes it too easy for me to buy things I can afford. For instance, last week I saw a $75 pair of pink sandals in my favorite shoe store. Of course, I don't need pink sandals, nor can I afford them with a credit card. However, I won't now own those sandals and be worrying about how to pay for them. The second reason I don't have a credit card is that I would end up in debt like my friend Sarah the shopaholic. Sarah got a credit card last year, and she already owes $4,000. She buys things that she doesn't really need, such as jewelry, and designer sunglasses. Sarah makes only minimum payment each month. Her monthly interest charges are more than her payment. So her balance never decreases. She will be in debt for years. The third reason I don't have a credit card is the difficult in understanding the fine print in the credit card contract. If I don't read the fine print, I can be surprised. For example, some credit card contract. If I don't read the fine print, I can be surprised. For example, some credit card companies will raise my interest rate if I make a payment even 1 day late. To sum up, credit cards may be a convenience for some people, but for me, they are plastic ticket financial disaster. Next slide. Sample topics, reasons for owning an iPod or cell phone or PDA or small automobile, for exercising or not exercising, for learning English, for aiming instead of making a phone call, for being a vegetarian. Kinds of teacher or shopper, drivers or friends or student or teachers or bosses or foods, types of book or movie or music or TV programs I like or don't like. Advantage of living in a small town or big city or college dormitory, of being an only or the youngest or the oldest child or a twin. Disadvantage of living in a small town or big city or college or dormitory, or of being an only or the youngest or the oldest child or a twin. Qualities of a good boss or a good employee or good friends or good or teacher or parent or nurse or paramedic or salesperson. Next slide. Begin a logical division paragraph with a topic sentence similar to the following. A good boss has 3 qualities. Living in college dormitory has several advantages. There are 4 main styles of Chinese food. In this supporting sentence, discuss each point on after one after the other. Introduce each new point with a single word of or phrase, such as the first reason. The second type, the final advantage. In addition, furthermore, also and moreover. The first reason, I'm a vegetarian, is that vegetarian are healthier meat eaters. Another quality of a good boss is fairness. In addition, sharing clothing with a twin save money. Support each point with a convincing detail, such as an example or a statistic, number, cost, amounts, percentage, and so on. For example, they want to touch and feel fabrics and visualize and themselves in clothes. She buys things that she doesn't really need, such as jewelry and designer sunglasses. In in 2005, there were 13 major hurricanes in the North Atlantic. A Big Mac contains with 560 calories and 30 grams of fat. And a logical division paragraph with a concluding sentence similar to one of this. For all this reason, living at home is the best choice for me at this time in my life. To sum up, a champion has to be motivated, disciplined, and talented. In brief and effective, and grabs your attention and apparel to your emotion. Next slide. Okay, I give to Faik for the second leader. To Faik, pleasure. Faik.
Oke, siap. Coherence. In addition to unity, which you learned about in chapter 4, every good paragraph must have coherence. A coherent paragraph flows smoothly from beginning to end. A reader can follow your ideas easily because on sentence let's naturally to the next one. There are no sudden jumps. There are the main ways to make your paragraph coherent. One, as mouse and pronounce consistently throughout a paragraph. Two, as transition signals to show relationships among ideas. Three, put your ideas into some kind of logical order, such as logical division of ideas. Next slide. Word routes. Students who know a few Latin and Greek word routes have an advantage over students who don't know them. They can often guess the meaning of unfamiliar words. If, for example, they know that the Latin word rot wrote the can guess the meaning of words such as circumference, circumstance, and circumnavigate when they read them in a sentence. Similarly, the Greek word wrote mom or monois means one single alone. I in dozens of English word students are met with this college can often discover the meanings of new words such as monosle, monarchy, monotone, monology, and monolingual without getting help from a dictionary. The also make the able to figure out that a monorail is a train that uses one rail. Next slide. Not her way to give a paragraph coherence is to us transition signals. transition signals are words and phrases that connects the idea in one sentence with the idea in another sentence. They are expressions such as first atau second. Furthermore, on the other end, for example, and in conclusion, transition signals are like traffic signals. They tell your reader when to slow down, turn a road, and stop. Using transition signals makes your paragraph smoother and helps your reader understand it more easily. Yuk, selanjutnya akan dibaca sama Raihan.
All right, the reading. Paragraph 1. Man and woman shopper. Store owners who understand the difference between man and woman shopper can use this knowledge to design their store. Women shopper use their 5 senses when they shop. They want to touch and feel fabrics and visualize themselves in clothes. Owners of women's clothing shop place clothes with lots of frills and luxury fabrics at the front of the shop. They place items near one another to allow a woman to visualize them together as an outfit. They group clothes not by item, but by style, classical or casual. For instance, men shoppers shop quite differently. Men shops for clothes only when they have to. A man buys a pair of jeans because his old ones have worn out. He probably wants exactly the same jeans. Men want everything in its place so that they can buy what they want and live. They want all shirts together over here and all pants together over there. Men's clothing stores are arranged very differently from women's. Paragraph 2. Men and women shopper. Store owner who understand the difference between men and women shopper can use this knowledge to design their store. First of all, women shoppers use their 5 senses when they shop. For example, they want to touch and feel fabrics and visualize themselves in clothes. Therefore, owners of women's clothing shops place clothes with lots of frills and luxury fabrics at the front of the shop. Furthermore, they place items near one another to allow a woman to visualize them together as an outfit. They also group clothes not by item, but by style, classic, or casual. For instance, men shoppers, on the other hand, shop quite differently. Men shop for clothes only when they have to. For instance, a man buys a pair of jeans because his old one have worn out. He probably wants exactly the same jeans. Moreover, men want everything in its place so that they can buy what they want quickly and live. They want all shirts together over here and all all pants together over there. As a result, men's clothing stores are arranged very differently from women. So the paragraph 2 is easier to read and understand because the writer has used transition signal. Each transition signal shows the relationship of one idea to the next. First of all tells you to look for the first main point. For example, tells you to look for an example of the previous point. Therefore, tells you that this is a result. Furthermore and moreover, tell you to look for another similar idea. On the other hand, tells you to look for a contrasting or opposite idea. For instance, also tells you to look for an example. As a result, tells you to look for a consequence of the previous point. Transition signal. Sentence connector is the first, second. First of all, next, meanwhile, after that, finally, now, soon, and then. And to list ideas in logical division of ideas order, the sentence connector is first, second, intention, first of all, furthermore, also, in addition, and moreover. The coordinating conjunction is and the other is a second, reason, kind, advantage, intention. An additional reason, kind, advantage, intention. And the last is the final reason, kind, advantage, intention. To add a similar idea, similarly, the sentence connector is similarly, likewise, also, furthermore, in addition, and moreover. And the coordinating conjunction is and. To add an opposite idea, the sentence connector is on other hand, however. And the coordinating conjunction is but. The sentence connector for to give an example is for example and for instance. To give a result, the sentence connector is therefore, thus, consequently, and as a result. And the coordinating conjunction is so. Sentence connector of to add a conclusion is all in all. For this reason, in brief, in conclusion, to summarize, to sum up. And the other to add a conclusion is, it is clear that, you can see that, you can see from this example that, this example show that. Following are some general rules for placing and punctuation this transition signal. Number 1, the word and process in the sentence connector column often come at the beginning of a sentence. They are usually followed by a comma. Exception, now, soon, and then do not need a comma. Beginning of sentence. First of all, zoos protect animals from their natural enemies. In short, advertising help both buyer and seller. Then, press the tab key on your keyboard. Middle of sentence. Some people, on the other hand, object to keeping wild animal in cage. You can also use keyboard shortcut to type varied letter and symbol. No comma between two parts of a verb phrase. End of sentence. They are protected and can live without risk of being attacked. Therefore, anti-zoo groups say that wild animals do not reproduce well in captivity, for example. Number 2, use the word in coordinating conjunction column to connect two simple sentences to make a compound sentence. Put a comma after the first simple sentence. All their needs are taken care of, so most zoo animals are healthy and content. Number 3, the words in the other column are adjective and preposition. They have no special punctuation. The first characteristic of a good politician is skill at public speaking. Another type of advertisement is aimed at children. Some people enjoy dangerous sports such as bungee jumping and skydiving. Practice 3, transition signal. A. Add the appropriate transition signal from each list to the following paragraph and capitalize and punctuate them correctly. Do not use the same transition signal more than once, except in paragraph 3. 1. To list ideas in time order. To apply for a scholarship, follow the step. A. Get an application form from your college scholar office. The answer is first of all. B. Fill it out completely and accurately. The answer is after that. C. Ask two of your instructor to write letters of recommendation for you. The answer is then. The last, D. Turn in the application form and letter to scholarship office before the deadline. The answer is finally. 2. To add a similar idea. Today, it is possible to get many services without making human contact. For instance, you can buy music, rent movies, and order groceries online without speaking to a salesperson. You can buy almost anything from potato chips to underwear from vending machine that will accept your money and return them automatically. The answer for A is in addition. B. By using your cell phone, you can make national and international calls. The answer for B is moreover. C. Send text message without operator assistance. The answer is N. You can earn college credit by taking online courses instead of going to class. The answer is also for D. Number 3. To give an example, note, use one signal twice. Children are motivated to learn if they are allowed to be successful, no matter how small their progress is. Each step helps to develop their self-confidence when children master math concept. The answer for A is, for example, B, such as addition and subtraction. They are more willing to attempt more difficult concepts. C is the answer is such as long division. All right, next slide will be read by Muhammad Haikal Bek.
Okay, thanks. I want to read. This is the paragraph. Okay, have you ever wondered how those big ocean storms called hurricanes or typhoons get their names? Who decided to name a hurricane and or Barbara or Bill? The way hurricanes and typhoon are named has changed over the years, and it's in an interesting story. Originally, weather forecasters described them by their position in the degrees of latitude and longitude. In addition, a typhoon might have been called uh, 21 or 20 north, 100,000 52 west. However, this method was confusing because storms don't stay in the same place. Therefore, people developed other ways to identify them in the Caribbean Sea. Hurricanes were named for the Catholic Saints' Day. Thus, hurricanes that struck an island in the Caribbean on Saint Andes Day was named Santa Ana. During World War I, hurricanes and typhoons were named according to the military alphabet. Abel, Baker, Charlie, and so on. During World War II, women's names began to be, next slide, continue from slide before. Use it. 5. So for the next 35 years, whether forecasters talk about typhoon Alice or hurricanes Betsy. 6. However, in the 1970 years, the women's liberation movement come along and forced weather forecaster to use men's names too. 7. As the result, after about 1975, a storm could be named Gertrude or George. Currently, men's and women's name alternate: Alice, Brett, Carla, David, Ellen, Frederick, and so on. 8. To sum up, the way hurricanes and typhoon are named has changed over the years and will undoubtedly change again. Next slide. Run on comma splice. Run-ons and comma splice are similar errors, but happen when you join sentence incoherently. A run-on happens when you join two simple sentence without a comma, and without a connecting word. For example, run-on, men like a shop quickly, women like to browse. A comma splice error happens when you join two simple sentence with a comma life. comma splice. Men like a shop quickly, women like to browse. There's easy ways to correct run on and comma splice errors. One, join the two sentence with comma and a coordinating conjunction such as and, but, or, so. Men like shop quickly, but women like to browse. To make two sentence, spread the two sentence with appropriate. Men like to shop quickly, women like to browse. Three, if you wish to show the relationship between the two sentence and a sentence connector and a comma to the second sentence, men like to shop quickly. However, women like to browse. Correcting runs, ons, and comma splice is relatively easy. Finding them in often the real challenge. Next slide. Next slide. Okay, one, check all sentences that have a comma in the middle. Comma splice. My best subject in computer science. My worst subject in English. What is the fixed subject in this sentence? What verb goes with it? Read father. Read future. Is there another subject with its own verb? If the answer is yes, look for a coordinating conjunction. If there is not, then this is run on sentence. Correction. My best subject is computer science. My worst subject is English. Or my best subject is computer science and my worst subject is English. 2. Read a long sentence aloud. Sometimes reading aloud help you to recognize where a new sentence should begin. Run on. Advertising is a multi-billion dollars industry in the United States. More than 200 billion in spent on advertising and advertising related activity each year. When you read the sentence aloud, do you pause between the United States and more? More is the first word of a new sentence. Correction. Advertising is multi-billion dollar industry in the United States. More than 200 billion in spend of advertising and advertising related activities each year. 3. Look for word like then. Also, and therefore in the middle of sentence, there's word as danger words because they frequently occur in run on sentence. Comma splice. We drove into the city, then when spent 30 minutes looking for a place to park. Correction. We drove into the city and then we spent 30 minutes looking for a place to park. Or we drove into the city and spent 30 minutes looking for a place to park. Or we drove into the city, then we spent 30 minutes looking for a place. Tips recognition run out comma splice. Okay, next slide. Practice 4. Read each sentence and decided in run comma splice of it discourage. Write X on the line next to the errors. Then correct each sentence that you marked. Alicia and Martha are a lot alike. They both have dark hair and Ace, Alicia and Martha are a lot alike. They both have dark hair and yes. 2. Both women are single, but Martha has a boyfriend. The answer: both women are single, but Martha has a boyfriend. 3. Writing a paragraph is easy. Is not practice. Writing paragraph is easy. However, it takes practice. First, you write the topic sentence, then you make an outline of the supporting sentence. First, you write topic sentence, and then you make an outline of the supporting sentence. 5. In the high school, I never studied, but now I work hard. In high school, answer: in high school, I never studied, but now I work hard. Next slide. 6. College is not like high school. Is it a lot harder? The answer, college is not like high school. It is a lot harder. 7. I want to transfer to our 4 years college, so I try to get good grades. I want to I want to transfer to a 4 years college, so I try to get good grades. 8. My parents did not finish high school. I was the first member of my family to graduate. The answer, my parents did not finish high school, so I was the first member of my family to graduate. The 9. In the old days, people did not have the opportunity to attend school. They had to work to help support the family. The answer, in the old days, people did not have the opportunity to enter school. They had to work to help support the family. The 10. Now parents want a better future for their children. They encourage them to go college and even help them achieve that goal. Now parents want a better future for their children, so they encourage them to go to college and even help them achieve that goal. Next slide. Review. Okay, I give to Mr. Faik to the next reader, Faik Yakobi. Faik Yakobi, the next reader, Faik.
Oke, siap. These are the important points covered in this chapter. 1. Logical division of ideas is a pattern of organizing ideas in which you divide a topic into parts and discuss as parts separate. So, a
Ganti
paragraph.
yang baca jangan kamu. Kamu nggak bisa baca ini. Masa ideas. Salah itu. Idea. Bukan ideas. Ganti. Nggak enak saya dengernya.
I will next to read the presentation. Review. These are the important points covered in this chapter. Number 1. Logical division of ideas is a pattern of organizing ideas in which you divide a topic into parts and discuss each part separately. Number 2, a paragraph needs coherence. A coherent paragraph is easy to read because it flows smoothly from beginning to end. Use these 3 techniques to achieve coherence. 1. Use nouns and pronouns consistently. 2. Use transition signal to show how one idea is related to the next. 3. Put your ideas into some kind of logical order. 3. Run-ons and comma splices are sentence error in which you join two sentences incorrectly. Thank you. I will give the presentation to
Oke,
the moderator.
thank you Muhammad Raihan, Haikal, dan Arya Yakobi. Ya, jadi oke, baik. Raihan, yang tadi bacanya nggak bisa siapa? Haikal apa Raihan apa Yakobi? Hah? Siapa?
Yakobi, Bu.
Yakobi. Oke, Yakobi. Kamu cara bacanya bukan ideas tadi, ideas ya. Jadi harus belajar lagi cara membacanya. Oke. Mem akan menjelaskan ya. I want to explain the group 5. Just moment please. Just moment please ya. Give me 2 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
Oke, Yakobi baru belajar lagi ya. Nih, logical ya bacanya di situ ya. Logical division of ideas, bukan ideas. Ya. In this chapter, you will learn how to organize paragraph using the logical division of ideas pattern. Nah, definition, logical definition of idea is pattern of organization with the, in which you divided a topic into points, discuss. Nah, this is logical division ideas. Simply means idea, ya. And reading. Nah, readingnya, nah ini kan readingnya the topic why I don't have a credit card. Credit card, tahu credit card? Ini kan mata kuliah text reading. Maka definitionnya mana? Translate-nya mana? Ya Allah, Anda kok masih belum paham juga. Nih, saya kirimin ya. Saya kirimin urutan membuat belum pernah ya. Revisi. Saya kepengen kalian revisi. Sebentar, saya buka cara membuat text reading yang baik dan benar. Kalian memilih antara descriptive text atau naratif text atau report text. Nih, contohnya saya akan berikan di sini. Just a moment, please. Bentar ya. Nah, ini contohnya seperti ini. Saya belum pernah ngirim contoh kan? Ya. Nah, ini contohnya. Termination. Tuh lihat di grup. Saya share ke grup. Nah, jadi saudara siapa namanya? Raihan dan Haikal, Anda sudah bagus membuatnya. Tidak perlu ada yang di-delete satupun. Definition-nya. Nah, di sini ketemu Anda reading. The topic why I don't have a credit card. And then translate. Ya, the first reading. Jadi reading itu harus dieksplor. Dijabarkan readingnya aja. Jadi menambah slide lagi nih. After that reading sebentar. Nah, reading itu dieksplor menjadi pertama ada readingnya, the first reading text, and second translate, and the third itu definition. Nah, definition sudah ada kamu. Definition, logical definition of idea is pattern of organization. Nah, ini sudah ada definitionnya. Cuma translate-nya mana? Jadi urutannya bukan definition dulu. Urutannya adalah reading dulu, baru translate, baru the next definition and purpose. And then purpose-nya apa ini? Deskriptif kah, naratif kah, recon kah, and report kah? Masuk dalam genre apa? Ya, paham ya? Terus yang keempat, four adalah the generic structure of apa? Deskriptif misalkan. Of naratif. Nah, baru identifikasi for example and descriptive for example. Nah, number 5 adalah the language phrases of descriptive text. Nah, using attribute berarti using attribute adalah simbolnya adalah logical division. For example, apa? Ambil chapter, misalkan paragraph 1, kan? Nah, baru using adjective, cari kalimat kata sifatnya. Kemudian the comprehension crisis composition. Nah, di sini lanjut ke conference, ke transit on signal, ya. Nah, ambil readingnya satu saja. Di sini kan kamu menemukan man and woman shopper, ya. Yang dieksplor satu saja. Yang dieksplor readingnya berupa why I don't have a credit card, or kamu pilih choose atau man and woman shopper, terserah. Terus lanjut ke translate-nya, milih choose one, just only one, baru dieksplor. Explore-nya adalah masuk kategori genre apa naratif, apa deskriptif, apa recon, apa report. Baru dijabarkan, ya, dijabarkan dari definition and purpose and the generic structure of descriptive text, identification for example, description for example, and then the language feature of descriptive text, ya, and using attribute for example, using adjective for example, using grammar, simple present tense and formula and for example, plus itu merupakan positif, negatif, dan interrogatif. For example, nah ini udah bagus semua. Anda tinggal menambahkan readingnya di explore. Sudah share tuh ya readingnya. Ini contohnya. Ini explore readingnya. Di explore untuk reading. Ya. Paham nggak?
Ya, mem, paham.
Paham nggak?
Ya, mem, paham.
Nah, tuh. Ini readingnya. Jadi, Anda khusus untuk readingnya di explore. Jadi, penambahan explore text readingnya. Oke, mungkin itu saja yang mem jelaskan. Maybe question.
Ya,
Nah,
terima
this
kasih.
is termination kan, termination descriptive one, and text reading 1, text reading 2, and text reading 3, and translate the definition and purpose of descriptive text. Itu masuk ranah kategori apa tuh? Man, woman, shopper tuh. Atau kamu yang tadi I don't have apa tadi? Pilih aja satu aja yang dieksplor. Nah, definition and purpose of descriptive text. Descriptive text is tell about woman and man shopper. This is paragraph 1 explain, for example. Paragraph 2 explain, for example. Paragraph 3 explain, for example. Okay. Next, the generic structure of descriptive text. Yeah, identification, for example, back to the first, the best answer, and description, descripting phenomenon in parts, quality, or characteristic, for example. Nah, and then the language feature of descriptive, bukan naratif. Ini salah contohnya. Ya, bukan naratif tapi deskriptif. Ini. Using attribute identifying process, for example, and using adjective, and using grammar simple present tense, and formula and example, comprehension, crisis, and composition. Answer this question is not more than 45 words. Nah itu. Cukup ya? Enough ya?
Ya, mem. Cukup.
Oke.
Terima kasih.
Maybe question? Jelas ya? Jadi, you choose just only one reading. Satu saja untuk di-explore readingnya, text readingnya. Oke. Thank you for your attention. Say together, hamdalah. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, bye. See you next week.